If you or a loved one has ever tried to go it alone without a professional, without a lawyer to get those Social Security disability benefits, you know just how difficult that can be. Philip Stewart of Stewart Stewart Attorneys in Indianapolis, Indiana joins us now. And Philip, how can an attorney such as yourself who handles these type cases increase a person's chances of approval for these benefits?
Well, that's an excellent question, and I can probably elaborate on that longer than you want to hear me do so. But let me just say that Social Security benefits are an entitlement. They're available to anyone who has suffered an illness or an injury that has incapacitated them and rendered them unable to work for a period of at least a year, are likely to keep them from working for a period of at least a year. And so the problem with the system is initially you do a paper application, and that gets sent in and evaluated by someone in the Social Security Administration. Probably 90% of those applications for Social Security disability are denied. But the person who has made the application has the right to appeal that decision. It's really important that an attorney be involved from the very beginning, because if an attorney is involved in the application process and the submitting of the initial application, more of those applications are successful and the individual gets their benefits.
And you hear people talk about how long it takes. The length of time stretches out for some folks in these cases. Can hiring an attorney, getting legal advice, actually help speed that up for some people?
Well, that's a tough answer. I'll tell you, the time that it takes a case to come to fruition and be finalized really depends upon the jurisdiction that you're in. Many of the federal courts that are handling the Social Security disability claims are very backed up. And it's all a function of numbers. The more cases that a court has or that an administrative judge has to deal with, the longer it takes to get it to a hearing, if it's at the hearing stage, and most cases are. And so there's no quick and easy way to do it, but I guess the quick and easy answer to your question is yes, an attorney can speed up the process because an attorney understands what is needed and what the administrative law judge is going to be looking for in your case, so that when you go to your appeal hearing, everything is ready, everything is prepared, and you are prepared to give the proper testimony that's going to assist the administrative law judge in making a favorable decision for you.
Philip, thank you so much for that information.
Thank you for asking me. It's my pleasure.
And that's Philip Stewart of Stewart Stewart Attorneys in Indianapolis, Indiana. Reporting for the EXP News Network, I'm Josh Talkington.